Evening, everyone. I'm gonna hop on here real quick, and you're probably going to hear my kids screaming for me and or my husband. So apologies on that. Thank you guys again for taking time to participate in my VIP party. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing these once every month, and our end of the month VIP party is obviously the products that are retiring. That is what I'm focusing on, are the products that are retiring at the end of May. So these are a quick little synopsis of some of the items that are retiring. And yeah, so these are just a few of my favorites. There's a whole list that I have that I will be posting tonight. But these are the ones that I have on hand that are my favorite. So this is our Mermaid Snacker. So this is an item that is being discontinued at the end of May, and I believe all of our snackers are going to be discontinued. I need to double check on that, but I'm pretty sure all of our snackers are going to be going away at the end of May. So if you want a snacker and they are cute, they are mini, they are thermals. They have a thermal lining on the inside. They're perfect for snacks. So if you want one of those, go ahead and shop the link to get some. And then I have this really pretty floral print that is going to be retiring at the end of May. This is our All About the Ben's wallet, or All About the Benjamin, excuse me. It's the best wallet you could ever have. I got one when I first started selling 31, and I've never gone back to any other kind. So this is our All About the Ben's wallet, and ooh, I had a little packet in there. See what I mean? I'm all over the place, guys. So yeah, this is our floral pattern that is going to be expiring. So if you want this floral pattern, if this floral pattern really like calls out to you, then definitely snag it, because you can get the adorable matching Ruby Mini. Seriously, it's adorable. So this Ruby Mini and this Benjamin, this print, they're gonna expire at the end of May. So snag these while you can. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you, you guys know that we have the small utility tote, which is a new product and it's doing really, really awesome. So there are a couple prints that are retiring in the small utility tote. It is the flamingo pattern. The flamingo pattern is retiring at the end of May, and so is the, I want to say it's the seashell pattern. There's another one. It might be green cabana, but I'm not 100%. So if you want a utility tote in one of these, and they have an awesome front pocket. And if you guys didn't know, our monthly special, they vamped our monthly special. We get two. You can get two small utility totes for $12 each when you spend $35, or you can get two crossbody organizing totes for $15 each, or you can do a combo, a small utility tote and a crossbody tote. It's an awesome deal. They decided to do that for the last week of May, just as like a last hoorah for you know, some of our little small utility tote prints that are expiring at the end of May. So this is our small utility tote. Like I said, this is going to be gone at the end of May, guys. It's super cute. I really, really like this. And I don't know why they wouldn't keep this as a summer print, but they've got other things planned for the summer, people. So that is our next item. That's probably gonna fall. Hold on. Got it. I got it. And this is going to be like a little flamingo theme here for a minute. So pretty much our whole flamingo pattern is going to be expiring. It's going to be going away at the end. I keep saying expire. It's going to be going away at the end of May. This pattern, I believe, is also going to be going. It's our lavender print, which is adorable. It's a very soft purple. So here is another flamingo item, which I've sold a ton of these. They are really good for the farmer's market, or to have in your bag as like, or in your purse if you need like an extra sack for anything. And it folds up within itself. So, I mean, you literally just take it and you fold it up like that. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. And then it is all folded up. And look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand. So all these fold-away totes are going away at the end of May, people. Okay, so the next item that's going to be going away is our Roundabout Crossbody, which this is a really cool purse. It's something a little different that 31 wanted to try. Really cute, very summery, and it's in this navy print. They also have a tan one as well, and I have the tan one, but I was like, I probably wouldn't have time to show you everything that I have, so I wanted to highlight the items that a lot of people have been interested in, or what a lot of people have ordered. So, and this is an item that a lot of people have really liked. It's a really, really cute bag, and it's just a little crossbody purse that you guys can take with you, you know. Super adorable. Okay, the next item is, I'm on a video right now. You want to say hi?
No.
See, I told you that I would get video bombed or whatever. This is my life. Chaos and confusion all the time. Anywho, so this is our Cool Zip snacker in the flamingo pattern. Like I said, all of our snackers, to my knowledge, are going to be expiring at the end of this month. So this is our flamingo snacker, and again, they have the thermal lining in there. They're really, really cute. My kids use them daily. They love them, and they're just really handy to have. And me, I mean, I'm an adult and I use one. I have the crab one that I use. I used to use the shark one for a little bit. People thought I was kind of weird, you know, because I, you know, had a shark little snacker in my car, you know, for snacks for me, but, you know, who cares? My kids had one. I was like, why don't I have one? So I got one. Anyway, this is the crab one. The crab snacker. That thermal lining. Guys, it's really good, and it's for a really good price, too. These would make really cute little gifts, you know, or teacher gifts, even though I know the school year's like pretty much over, but you could start for next year. Anywho, the next item, which I've sold a ton of these, a lot, the Totally Thermal. I have sold a lot, especially last month, because last month the Totally Thermal was on sale. And this actually has been reduced in price. It is now only $35 for a Totally Thermal. It used to be like almost $50, and they dropped the price to $35. So if you guys wanted to, now this is just, you know, my opinion. If you wanted like a whole like legit flamingo party going on, you could order this Totally Thermal for $35, and it has all of our thermals, they have a really, really durable liner on the inside of them. It's easily wipeable and leak proof, which is awesome. So you could order this Totally Thermal for $35, and then you could get 2 small utility totes in the flamingo pattern, and then you'd have a nice little flamingo set. Did you like that? Did you like how I did that? Flamingo? I know, I'm awesome with like words like that. So that is our Totally Thermal. I have one in gray because, like, I don't know. I like gray stuff. I'm boring. I know. Occasionally I'll get crazy patterns and whatnot, but I got my Totally Thermal is in gray. And then this last item I wanted to show you, everything that excuse me, I can't talk tonight. All of the prints for this one, this product completely is going to be going out at the end of May. It is our Coastal Carry-All. If you need a huge, humongous beach bag, like something that's going to take care of all of your essentials for the pool, the beach, what have you, this is your go-to bag. I mean, look at how big it is compared to me. It's huge. It can fit like up to 10 beach towels. I mean, it is deep. That is a deep purse, people. It is deep. And this was on sale like a few months ago. So yeah, I mean, there is a lot of space in there. It opens up really nice. If I can get it, there we go. mean, look at how big that can get. I mean, and there's a pocket on the inside. There's a little keychain thing here so you can hang your keys on them so that you don't lose your keys in your bag. Because sometimes that happens to me when I have like a giant pool bag. But it's nice because a lot of their bags have that little clip, and I just put my keys on it. That's literally what I use it for. It probably has a different purpose, but that's what I use it for. Or my keys if I run out of room in the pockets. And there is a big front pocket too for anything else like your suntan lotions and whatnot. So this really good bag for the beach, like one of the best that you guys could ask for, is the Coastal Carry-All. I mean, you want something that's gonna carry all of your stuff. That's gonna be it. So I will hop off of here because I went way past my 5-minute mark. I wanted to try to get done in 5 minutes, but that never happened. So keep commenting and liking all of the posts. And if you guys would like to place a last minute order, I am still taking orders, or you can shop from the link. I have the shopping link in a lot of the comments or the posts, excuse me. So just keep an eye out for that. And I have lots of prizes. So I'm really excited to show you guys. Now, I probably will not be able to finish up tonight. I have everything preloaded onto my VIP page. So like I said, keep commenting and interacting because I am actually having to get my kiddos to bed early tonight. So I won't be up a whole lot. But tomorrow I will be getting at it and answering and liking all of the comments and posts that you guys have. So good night and enjoy my VIP party. I cannot wait for next month's party. Yeah. All right, guys. See you later. Night, night.